Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Onshape tutorial how to extrude a shape along a cube. So for example, I will create sketch. You can click on the front plane, click sketch and draw a circle as example shape. Click OK. Now for the cube, you can click on the top plane, create sketch. I will use this 3-point arch to create cube. Okay, like this. Create again from this point to here. The arch. And if you done, you can click OK. Now to extrude along a cube, you can use the sweep tools. Click here. For the face, you can select the circle. And then for path, you can click on the cube. And then click again on this cube. After it, you can click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for a basic Onshape tutorial how to extrude a shape along a curve.